How to watch live football on YouTube TV with Android. Step number 1. Install the YouTube TV app on your Android device. Open the Google Play Store on your Android device. Search for YouTube TV in the search bar. Tap on the YouTube TV app and click Install to download and install the app. Step number 2. Sign into your YouTube TV account. Once the app is installed, open the YouTube TV app. Sign in using your Google account credentials associated with your YouTube TV subscription. Step number 3. Subscribe to YouTube TV if needed. If you do not have a YouTube TV subscription, go to the YouTube TV website and sign up for a subscription. The base plan includes over 100 channels, including CBS, Fox, NBC, ESPN, and NFL Network, where you can watch live football games. Step number 4, navigate to live football games. Use the search function in the app to find specific football games. You can also browse through the live or sports sections to find ongoing or upcoming matches. Step number 5, start streaming. Select the football game you want to watch and it will start streaming live on your Android device.